This is the trading review for the 30th of June 2023. It was a good day. It was more difficult to interpret the information that I had available to me, there was a lot of opportunities. On AMD, we were opening overlap. We actually managed to break out. So we set value higher, and we rejected the value from yesterday, and because the pivots were very narrow, I could expect a breakout, and so I paid close attention to the R4 level, which is right here. And at first, I think I made a mistake entering before the 5-minute candle close, because it still had to test this the value from yesterday. And so even though it was overlapping a little bit, we slowed down in this second candle, and once we opened here, once we cross again and got bought up at this level, that was a signal that, okay, you know what, we rejected value to the downside, and we are not gonna find new value. And my first trade was an R4 reversal, which I shouldn't have really taken considering it was an outside day. So I should have been patient instead and wait for the breakout. But you live and learn. And I think it was a good idea had we had more bids. It will be a good short, and because we sold off with strength, but it's normal for that to happen at R4. I guess I should have been more patient and wait for the 5-minute candle to close. But I'm happy with my interpretation. It was a good reading. And so this first trade was an R4 reversal, and an R4 reversal is an E trade. So this was an E trade, and I think we executed. It was a bit a little bit anticipated. But we are in the process of learning, so I guess order booking balance. It was balanced. So I guess I should have avoided it. Oh no! All of this goes here. This is a different day. So I guess I should have been more careful. It was not an easy day, so I think the right thing is to make this an invalid trade. Okay, but it's okay. That trade's not going to be very helpful. But after that, we took a trade at R4, which was perfect. We had a bullish level 2, and the way it played out was it continued up, and I should have partial. I got half of my position out here, and I should have partial at 113.80, but I was very greedy, and I didn't expect the price to reject before 114 to test my entry again. So I made a mistake here. Another opportunity to get out, but I was paying attention to my and then here we have the big rejection. So today was a very I guess not a lot of conviction in the run to the top side. As soon as we went back to the 20 moving average, and let's see, 80 here I changed to Apple. Yeah, so AMD didn't have a lot of conviction, and you can see actually what will have tested my entry, but this touch right here, I guess what I needed to work on was making another entry again. This pullback isn't really happening with a lot of conviction either, so we are failing to break out. As soon as we fail to break down this level, pierce back into R4, I need to make an entry. And I think I needed more conviction in my strategy because I was very short biased. I was still hoping for that short. but that big stack at 114 should have been a. We just touched R4 and we ran up again to my target. So I should have been more. I should have been quicker. This was an R4 breakout. We open inside, so that's a B strategy. So the second trade was a B strategy. We executed perfectly, and the book was bullish now with a big stack at 114, and we won, but we only won 1.4R, which is a shame. Yeah, so this was the plan. We opened. We failed to drop. I should have just been very bullish on this stock. Anyways, that's my second trade, and in a day like this where you have a breakout, you have to get in early or wait for the reversal. And Tesla offered an opportunity long as well, with a possibility to enter short. Around our, that's the trade for that day. Let me load the second video. Okay. So here I made an entry at R5, which is fine. But again, my trade management messed me up. I was within 2 cents of 2R, but I didn't expect it to fail to touch BWAP. I missed this entry here. I knew I messed up because this volume signal here and this rejection is a clear entry at R6. So we actually had an R6 opportunity here on AMD that I missed, and we also had an R6 reversal here, but it's unfortunate. It didn't work out. I got out at break even, a little bit of profit, but nothing, not even to cover the fees. So this is R6 reversal, just an F strategy. We executed well. I'll say balance. We got at break even. We only got 0.1, I believe. It's such a shame that I didn't execute this trade correctly. Especially with the lack of level 2. I should have gone with the Camarilla pivots. But anyways, those are the 3 trades I took, and such a shame. Tesla actually offered an opportunity later in the day to reverse at R5. Clearly, so it's a waste. AMD as well managed to reverse very nicely, up to all the way down to 113.80, 70. So it offered 5R return. So I have to take those trades, but I'm slowly building my confidence. Today I messed up a little bit in trade management. I got in a beautiful breakout at perfect entry, but this retest, it was in no volume. If I had paid attention to this, I should have gotten in again, and I should have taken a partial here to have better control of the rest of the day and my emotions. But had I just paid focus to this strategy, I could have made another entry here on this pullback after failing to break it, and on the return should have made my entry to get allowed at around R6 or 114, which was my original target. So live and learn. And that's it for my intraday trading review. Did we respect the rules? Kind of. Despite that one trade, that was the only trade, and it was just one rule. So I'm not gonna ruin my data because of that. Sleep not really well actually. I didn't sleep well, but did the morning routine. Um, Once again, I had very good pre-market analysis. I what? Two was not affected by my first loss. And third, I kept looking for opportunities and took good valid trades. So I took a majority of valid trades, and I feel like my goal has been met, since it only consists of taking good quality setups. And I executed three trades, 66%. I'll take it. Only one silly trade. I took three trades, 2-1, but they were not very profitable. 0.4, yeah. So not a lot of profit, and that's it for the day. The strategies, the stats in general. We're gonna copy the ones here. And one, 0.4, 1. Erase this. And unfortunate that it didn't work out. But this one, why did I break the rule here? I anticipated the trade, traded within the first 5 minutes. I guess that doesn't matter as much, but it's just that I didn't wait for the level to be tested correctly. Otherwise, it would have been a very good trade. But anyways, that's the daily review, and that's it. Good end of the week. Learn a lot of important things. I need to pay attention to my trade management because that's what stopped me for having more profits today on two trades that I should have gone out just at the bare minimum daily goal at 2R on Tesla. Especially after realizing I made mistakes, so I should have just tried to end my day. So that's it.